Here I have KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory data reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then go to the reset options, and here you have to select the last option, factory data reset. Then tap reset phone, OK, and then tap rate everything to confirm whole operation. And after that, your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.